How to pick up calls using AirPods. So if you want to pick up calls using AirPods, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. If you're using AirPods 3, 4, or AirPods Pro, then wear your AirPods and make sure they're connected to your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch with cellular or Wi-Fi. Then you can just say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold the force sensor or touch sensor or touch control. Then say something like, "Call Eliza's mobile." On an iPad without cellular, you can say something like, "Make a FaceTime call." And in order to answer a call, you need to press the stem once on either of your AirPods. If you have AirPods 4, AirPods Pro 2, or AirPods Pro 3, you can nod your head up and down to answer a call, or shake your head side to side to decline a call. Or if you're using AirPods Pro, then to end a call, you can double press the stem on either of your AirPods. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.